Welcome to the Security as a Service video series by Convergint Technologies. Thank you for joining us in this inaugural series. I'm Steve Washburn, the Executive Director of Convergint's Digital Transformation Team, and we'll be coming to you weekly over the next couple of months talking about how we're helping customers transition from legacy on-premise systems to modern, innovative solutions that not only provide security, but also unique business outcomes. I'm joined today by my colleagues, Mr. Kit Bishop, Mr. Tony Alexander, and Mr. Jeremy McConnell. So Kit, when I talk about security as a service, what does that mean to you and what does that mean to our customers?
Steve, it's a comprehensive solution that helps bridge the gap between our technology from IT and the technology from our security providers and solutions that we've delivered for years. And when we bring it together, it's a solution that enables our clients to focus on the business opportunities versus administration and daily management of their technology.
Tony and Jeremy, as longtime Convergint colleagues, been in the security industry for many, many years, what's different or unique about our security as a service offering? And maybe just expand on that a little bit more for our listeners.
Yeah, Steve, so our goal is to be our customer's best service provider. And when we talk about our security as a service model, it really is the way that we can be our customer's best service provider. We've always had like a good comprehensive service model where we're able to support our customers from install to delivery to service. But in this model, we are doing a little bit more. So when we go to a cloud native technology, we're able to do remote health monitoring. We're able to manage the system. We're able to look and see if the system's functioning all the time. And if we see something that's a little amiss, we will do a remote service triage automatically, let the customer know that we're working on their system, and if something's broken, we'll go out and fix it, just as part of this model. So it's a worry-free, real peace of mind for our customers.
But Jeremy, just to build on that, and I think what you're getting at, right? So some of the things that you're talking about are specific things that we're doing differently inside this model and what the cloud can enable us to do from a value set perspective. But really at the core of that is all about experience from an end user perspective, right? Steve, you've been in this industry a very long time, and there's been lots of transitions, but at the end of the day, this technology world that we live in from a security industry perspective, to be frank, has failed our customers from a customer experience perspective. And we're finally getting to the point where leveraging some of that modern technology and leveraging the additional capabilities that we have from a global organization perspective, we're finally being able to actually deliver the kind of customer experience that people expect from technology. They want automated experiences. They want it to be easy. They don't want it to be cumbersome, right? And that's really what I think this whole thing is about, is trying to drive better customer experiences.
Guys, thank you for all your perspective and conversations today. For the interest of time, we're going to put a pin in this. Thank you again so much for your time. Looking forward to more conversations. And again, please go to convergint.com/DT, subscribe, and look for some more conversations on this very interesting security as a service topic.